morning, students. How are y'all? I hope y'all are doing good and studying well. Today we are going to learn a small topic from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. So, before starting the topic, I want y'all to take out the notes given to y'all on the topic Physical and Chemical Changes. You may pause the video and go through the notes before watching the rest of the video. Now we are going to learn chemical reactions. What do you mean by a chemical reaction? Okay, so we learned chemical reaction through certain examples. And the first example that you're going to learn is burning of magnesium ribbon. Burning of magnesium ribbon. So, before learning this experiment, you have to know what do you mean by burning. So, what do you all think is burning? Now, I am going to do a very simple experiment just to make you all understand the definition of burning, or what do you mean by burning or combustion. This experiment most of you all have done at home. We will do it regularly. This is a very basic experiment. I took a piece of paper and I am going to burn it. Observe very carefully and see what all forms of energy are evolved here or is formed here. So this is the experiment. I had a piece of paper and I burned it. Now there's a question for y'all. If there were no oxygen, will this burning take place? No. If you have said no, the answer is correct. So we know that for burning, oxygen is needed. And there were two forms of energy that is formed. The first form is a heat energy and the second one is a light energy. So now we know what is burning. Now we are going to learn what is burning. Burning is a chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, a substance reacts with oxygen. Okay. Any substance, let it be any substance, it will react with oxygen to produce two forms of energy, that is heat energy and light energy. Okay, so along with that we will have the products also. So now we are going to know what is burning. What do you mean by burning? It is a chemical reaction in which a substance will react in the presence of oxygen to produce two forms of energy, heat energy and light energy. Now we are going to learn in detail about burning of magnesium ribbon. So the first point that you must know is burning means reaction with oxygen. So if we are burning magnesium ribbon, we are reacting it with oxygen. For the experiment, we need tongs, magnesium ribbon and the lighter. The lighter can be a spirit lamp. With the tongs, we will take the magnesium ribbon and we will burn it. We can observe a dazzling white flame, and when the reaction is complete, we get a white powder, and the white powder is
magnesium oxide.
So did you all see the experiment? So we took the magnesium ribbon and we burned it in the presence of oxygen. And what did we get? We got a white color powder, and that white color powder is called magnesium oxide. So this is a simple experiment. We took a magnesium ribbon and we burned it in the presence of oxygen. And after the reaction, we got a white color powder, and that white color powder is magnesium oxide. And you may have observed a flame, right? Do you all know what is the name of the flame? The flame is called a dazzling white light. Okay, so when we burn magnesium, we have a flame, and that flame is having what color? Dazzling white light. You should never forget it. This name is very important. What's the color of the flame? The color of the flame is dazzling white light. And one more important thing that you have to know is, in the lab, when we are doing this experiment, at first we will take the magnesium ribbon, and along with that we will take sandpaper. This sandpaper is to clean the magnesium ribbon.
When magnesium is kept in air, it reacts with the oxygen in the air and forms magnesium oxide. We use sandpaper to remove this layer because magnesium oxide is very stable and it prevents further reaction.
So students, today we have learned about a chemical reaction, and the chemical reaction is burning of magnesium ribbon. Firstly, we discussed about burning. And what was burning? It is a chemical reaction in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce mainly two forms of energy, that is the heat energy and the light energy. We will have the products also, okay? And then we learned about burning of magnesium ribbon. We took a strip of the magnesium ribbon, and when we burned it, we got a flame. The color of the flame was dazzling white light. Dazzling white light. Okay. And after that, we got a white powder. And the white powder was magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So the reaction is very simple. We took magnesium and we reacted it, or we burned it. Burn means reaction with oxygen. So we burned it, and then we got a white color powder, and that white color powder is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So this is a simple reaction. This is not a balanced equation. We will learn the balancing of this equation in the upcoming classes. Okay, so that's all for the day. Please read the topic, and if there are any doubt, please be free to ask it. Thank you.